Hi, I'm Jim Dinella, founder and CEO of Dinella Companies. We at Dinella believe in the zero incident philosophy, which means accidents are not an acceptable part of doing business. We believe that every accident is preventable, and prevention begins with a positive attitude towards safety. The Dinella Way is about being better together, which is why we have created learning videos that review high-risk activities associated with our line of work. We want you to understand that you have a responsibility to work safely and understand the work you are performing. If you do not have a grasp of the work, stop immediately and consult with your foreman. And remember, each employee has the ability to stop the job if unsafe working conditions are identified. If ever in doubt, reach out to your division manager or safety team directly to help you create a safe working environment. We all have a personal responsibility to think ahead, to keep ourselves and others safe at home and at work. And I personally expect you to take advantage of the resources we have put into place to keep you safe. I want to thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything you do.
In this video, we would like to discuss the importance of conducting a meaningful JHA or job hazard analysis. Every day your foreman or supervisor will review the JHA or job briefing with the crew. The JHA should identify potential safety risks that the crew may encounter while working on that day's activities. These items could include subjects such as driving conditions, stretch and flex, traffic control, rules of dig by, line of fire, also known as struck by risks, pinch point hazards, excavation protection, confined space entry, worker positioning and proper lifting techniques, and even dealing with the public. Personal safety items certainly must be discussed, such as making sure the crew is wearing the proper PPE for the task and is trained to perform that task. The general scope of work should be explained, the steps to perform the work, the hazards associated with the steps, and most importantly, how the hazard will be controlled or eliminated. The entire crew must be knowledgeable as to the potential risks that may be encountered. If you have any questions regarding the risk in the day's work plan, it is your responsibility to speak to your foreman or supervisor before work begins. If the job conditions change as the day progresses, take time to review the changing conditions with your foreman or supervisor. If the changing conditions create new risks or hazards, the foreman and crew must review the JHA and implement new controls. The crew will be asked to sign the completed JHA to acknowledge awareness of the scope of work and the plan that has been developed to address that day's activities. The Dinella Way is all about being better together. So remember, each employee has the ability to stop the job if unsafe working conditions are identified. If ever in doubt, reach out to your foreman, supervisor, or safety team to help you ensure a safe working environment. Thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything we do.